Welcome back to Product Critique,
where we dissect the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of fitness and nutrition with a review of Opportuniteas Coffee Whey Protein Powder.
Now, if you're anything like me, you need that morning caffeine kick to jumpstart your day.
But you also want to make sure you're fueling your body with the right nutrients.
Well, that's where this product comes in. Opportuniteas Coffee Whey Protein Powder is not your average protein powder.
It's designed to give you that much-needed boost of caffeine, equivalent to a cup of coffee,
while also delivering a hefty dose of protein, 27 grams per serving, to be exact. But what sets this apart from other protein powders? Well, for starters, it's made with Colombian coffee powder and premium whey protein isolate from grass-fed cows in New Zealand. And here's the kicker. There are no artificial sweeteners or flavorings. It's just pure, natural goodness.
So, why should you consider adding this to your routine? Whether you're hitting the gym in the morning or need a midday pick-me-up, Opportuniteas Coffee Whey Protein Powder has got you covered. It's perfect for pre- or post-workout fuel, and it'll help you recover faster so you can keep pushing yourself to the next level. But don't just take my word for it. Customers rave about the taste and quality of this protein powder. Some even compare it to a coffee milkshake. Now, who wouldn't want that? So, if you're ready to supercharge your mornings and take your workouts to the next level, give Opportuniteas Coffee Whey Protein Powder a try. With its blend of caffeine and protein, it's the perfect way to start your day off right.
Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews on the products you love.
Until next time, stay fit, stay healthy, and stay tuned for more.